Hello, welcome to Easy English. Today I want to discuss the most important word in the English language. Hello. Our greetings have developed over time, and there are a vast array of ways to greet and respond to people in casual and formal interactions. We'll show you a few scenarios with 20 alternative ways to say hello, and options for responses for when meeting people in Britain. Initially, the greeting good day was most commonly used, and if you look at most languages, they still retain good day as a formal greeting. But nowadays, good day is rarely used in English. The word hello became the cultural norm for all formal and casual meetings after being the advised greeting for the invention of the telephone. Fun fact, the first suggested greeting before hello was ahoy hoy, which is still how Mr. Burns answers the phone in The Simpsons. So, if we remove hello from the equation, what are the other ways to greet someone, and what are the responses? Let's start at work. If you need help keeping up with this episode, you could consider checking out our Patreon page. You can choose from 3 levels of perks. The first level gives you reading materials such as transcripts and vocabulary lists, all related to the relevant episode that you're watching. Now back to the episode. For a formal greeting to a boss or manager, you might want to start with good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This can even be shortened to just morning, afternoon, evening. The response to this greeting is to repeat the same greeting back. Morning, afternoon, evening. Okay, so what about meeting a stranger? You could stick with your good mornings or afternoons, but you might want to go a bit more casual with your greeting. You could try options like this. Hi. Hey. Hiya. If you're seeing someone again who you would still consider a stranger, you could combine these or even just start with these questions. Down! 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 How are you? How's it going? How are you doing? Generally, the response to these 3 questions will be short. If you're greeted this way, summarize how your day or week is. Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Not bad, thanks. Pretty good, thanks. Not so good. You can then use one of the 3 questions from before to greet them back, and then possibly open up into a conversation. So, what have you been up to? So, how do you casually greet a friend if you don't use hello? Here are some more options.
What's up?
You alright? What's going on? These are all interesting phrases, as in principle they're questions. However, you don't have to respond to them like they're questions. Look at them as quick ways to greet someone whilst also showing you care how the person is without them having to give you a long response. Similar to the old greeting of, how do you do? The response can be as easy as repeating the same thing back. This makes these phrases super quick for when you don't have time on your hands. You alright? Lastly, how could you greet an old friend or colleague you haven't seen in a while? Nice to see you. Long time no see. And now a strange one. Without the use of words, a good way to greet Brits with just a facial expression is a raise of the eyebrows and a tilt of the head. There you go, there's 20 ways for you to greet someone in Britain. Let me know how you get on and if you have any more in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. Bye. What's going on? Good evening.